Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got a major update for you on a story that's been making headlines across the country. Alright, so here's the scoop. The US Supreme Court has just temporarily blocked the deportation of Venezuelan immigrants who are currently detained in Texas. These individuals are being held at the Bluebonnet Detention Center. This decision is a major turn of events and will remain in effect until further order of this court. But not everyone on the bench agreed. Justices Thomas and Alito dissented from this ruling. Now let's rewind a bit. The Trump administration had invoked the 1798 Alien Enemies Act to deport these immigrants. This law is super old, dating back to the 18th century, and it's rarely used. In fact, one of the most notable times it was used was during World War II for the internment of Japanese Americans. The administration argued that these individuals were associated with the Tren de Aragua gang, which added another layer of complexity to the situation. However, the American Civil Liberties Union, or the ACLU, stepped in and filed an emergency appeal. They argued that the government's notice to the detainees didn't comply with previous Supreme Court orders. Specifically, they pointed out that the notice needed to be translated, and they emphasized the importance of due process. So why is this significant? Well, the lower courts, including 2 federal judges and the U.S. Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals, didn't intervene before the Supreme Court made its ruling. This means that the highest court in the land saw enough merit in the ACLU's arguments to issue this temporary stay. The Trump administration responded by filing an opposition to the Supreme Court stay. They argued that they had provided advance notice to the detainees, giving them time to file habeas claims. They also agreed not to deport those who filed such claims, and requested the court to either dissolve the stay or limit it to removals. As it stands, the Supreme Court's decision means that these deportations are on hold for now, giving the detainees a chance to challenge their removal. This is a crucial moment for due process, as the court previously allowed deportations under the Alien Enemies Act only if individuals had the opportunity to challenge their removal. So, what's next? We'll have to keep an eye on further developments and see how the court ultimately rules. This case could have significant implications for immigration policy and the use of the Alien Enemies Act in modern times. That's all for today, folks. Make sure to hit that like button if you found this update helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more news and analysis. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think about the Supreme Court's decision and the implications it might have. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.